Welcome to this guided meditation designed to let you effortlessly slip into a deep state of peace and relaxation. If you have never meditated before, please know that there is no right or wrong way to do this. Many beginners feel they must sit in a difficult posture or completely empty their mind to meditate correctly. But what is important is to understand that meditation is simply giving your mind the time to slow down. Make yourself comfortable. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, sit on a cushion, or even lie down if that serves you better today. The goal is not rigid discipline, but a state of alert relaxation. As we begin, you may notice thoughts drifting in. This is completely normal and absolutely fine. They are just thoughts. Do not try to push them away. Imagine them as clouds passing across the sky. They naturally come and go. It's important not to get too attached to the results or to strive for a specific feeling. Just release any thoughts of trying. So, if you are ready, let's begin. As we begin, you may notice thoughts drifting in. This is completely normal and absolutely fine. They are just thoughts. Do not try to push them away. Imagine them as clouds passing across the sky. They naturally come and go. It's important not to get too attached to the results or to strive for a specific feeling. Just release any thoughts of trying. So, if you are ready, let's begin. Make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. Begin by taking a few deep, intentional breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. To begin, we'll start with a short breathing exercise. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment and release, letting all the tension drain away. Continue with this breathing exercise for a short while. Now, fall gradually into your normal breathing pattern. Don't try to control it. Just observe the rhythm. Notice the cool air entering your nose and the warm air leaving. Shift your attention to your body. We are going to let a wave of relaxation wash over you. Start at your feet. Feel a heaviness, a warmth entering your toes and arches, moving up to your lower legs, feeling the muscles soften. This sensation slowly moves up to your thighs and lower stomach. Let your hips sink heavier into the chair or the floor. There is nothing you need to do right now. Just release expectations of what you should feel. That's perfectly okay. feel the relaxation rising up your spine, unknitting the muscles in your back. Your shoulders drop down, away from your ears. Your hands rest gently in your lap. Now, bring your awareness to your mind. Often, our minds are racing with the busyness of the day. Imagine your mind as a wheel that has been spinning fast. You don't need to stop the wheel suddenly. You are simply taking your hand off it. Watch as the wheel begins to slow down. It spins a little slower and a little slower until it is just ticking over. Just ticking over. If a thought comes in, perhaps about your day or a sound you hear, acknowledge it and let it drift by. It doesn't matter which thoughts come. Just enjoy it and let it happen. Now, imagine you're on a beach somewhere. The air is the perfect temperature for you. You are safe. You are alone. Listen to the sound of the gentle waves. With every wave that breaks on the sand, you feel deeper relaxation washing over you. Imagine your whole body becoming at one with all things. The sun warms your skin. The rhythm of the water matches the rhythm of your breath. In and out. Let your body, your mind, soak up this blissful peace, this quiet, this absolute calm. Sometimes in relaxation like this, you may see pictures in your mind, images, or perhaps just colors. Either way is perfect and completely fine. You are resting in a place of absolute serenity, peace, and deep relaxation. Stay here for a moment, just breathing, just being. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a deep, energizing breath in and let it out. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, this sense of calm is always available to you. You can return to this sanctuary whenever you need to. If this meditation brought you peace today, please consider liking this video and subscribing to join us for more moments of rest. Take this tranquility with you into the rest of your day.